Okay, today was day, I don't know, probably something like 35. Um, it was a good day today. Today was a good day. Everything was fine in class. Spoken Chinese very fluidly going. Um, yeah, so I officially have 1 week left. So today was Sunday, which means I have officially 1 week left, which means I've done this for 5 weeks straight. So I'm gonna take the W, taking the win there, because 5 weeks is a long time to be doing what I've been doing. Um, but yeah, 1 week left, and the amount of improvement that I've seen in my Chinese over the last couple of weeks is amazing. So I definitely say that it's been worth it. Other than that, yeah, there's not much of an update. We just reviewing some HSK 6 lessons. We have also looked at some test practice, some questions, stuff like that. So yeah, a lot of progress being made very fast, which I'm pretty happy with. And yeah, I'm hoping that uh, after this, I'm a bit worried that if I'm finished with this, maybe my spoken Chinese will decrease, because right now I have been forced to speak Chinese every day. But I'm not that worried because I'm in a Chinese environment, which means I will get the opportunity to practice quite often, and sometimes I will be forced to speak Chinese. I will be faced with the decision where I have to speak Chinese. So we're faced with that situation. So yeah, that's just something that I've been thinking of. With Spider Verse, I've sped up the speed, so I'm watching it at 1.25 speed last night, and I've noticed that even sped up, because I've watched it so many times, I still understand everything. So I'm going to watch it sped up again tonight and see if I go back to normal speed, if it feels easier. Yeah, maybe watch it sped up a few more times, just so that to push my brain to listen faster, listen more carefully, and get better at listening. And then maybe at the 40th time or so when I'm watching it, go back to normal speed again. We'll see how I approach that. But yeah, just to do something different than just watching the new movie the same way. Like I said, I watched it at slow speed. That was just not fun at all. Watching it faster, yeah, that feels like it's a bit more productive. So yeah, that is pretty much all for today. That's it. I have also reached 1 whole month where my flashcards are under 30 minutes for a whole month. So like under 30 minutes every day, a whole month long, which is an achievement that I have not seen in a long time. Um, yeah, at one point I remember my cards sometimes taking me up to like 2 3 hours, 2.5 maybe 3 hours. That was at the peak, and that was really tough. So now, yeah, finally getting it back to under 30, just because it's just been review, is great. So yeah, it's getting easier. But yeah, I do feel kind of tired of Chinese, but I mean, I'm close to the end. I'm so close to the end that I'm just like, you know what? I've done it. I've achieved what I wanted to achieve in these 5 weeks. So yeah, I finished the HSK 6, the first book. So I'm just happy with that, and my spoken Chinese has increased immensely. So yeah, all in all, I'm pretty positive and still pretty happy with the whole situation and the outcome. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today.